Ever wondered about the secret lives of chickens? Let's uncover 3 surprising facts about these familiar farmyard friends. First, chickens are not just bird brains. They can recognize over 100 faces, both chickens and humans. Surprisingly, chickens dream like us. They experience REM sleep, which suggests they have complex inner lives. Chickens communicate with over 30 distinct sounds, each with different meanings, from calling chicks to warning of predators. These facts not only surprise, but also showcase the depth and complexity in the lives of chickens. I want you to be careful even if the chicken looks cute. Sometimes it runs wild. If you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe and like.